Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Deb 3 TV. This is your number one soccer podcast in the land. It's a Pass and Move podcast, proudly brought to you by Deb 3 Events, Deb 3 Media, and Deb 3 Studios. And also, not forgetting our partners, Ogushe Designs. They've been with us from day one. Gents, Zitin Mafowe too.
I'm nice.
Namhlanje ngiyedwa as always
Ubetha umoya.
Kulomuntu odebuza last week esithi kanti oyiziganye to is another partner in crime. Ukuthi wona wangayithandi into le. Ukuthi I introduce you guys well. I'm always with my partners in crime. Garnet Masutu in the building. Zitin Prom.
Sure.
Ngihambani. Machisa is not with us, but trainers but trainers champions of champions kumbe kwenzakalani umbe ba prepare next season
ngibona prepare next season league
ba serious
Kukhona amafona nje.
awona page la uthi how to survive relegation
Chicken in the islanders ba Google.
to survive relegation sesebasiye but anyway today asida Machisa ba busy at training kanye last week besingela program abantu bebuza ukuthi ungawukanye ithi
Ngiyaxolisa ukulithalela phansi lami okwenzakele nje kunijumile kuphongo ba ngohwaphu azibona nje semphakathi komango but hayi sikulungisisile sikhona
awuqa bengafuna siphathi kweshow uyasivalelisa
bazasilinda
balinda gents there's something eyenzakalayo kule boys I think you remember kanye esayisakhuluma ngayo uJames boys yawina talent search cast to cast talent search esiyenza lana eDeb 3 there so boys was busy in studio eDeb 3 studios recording his album. I think by now it's done, so busy behind the scenes shoot a video
ayiqedi boys sisebenza
so but this stuff asikabi out there Kyle mepenge kubona please look out for James it goes by the name Tong Ricky Ice. Look out for Ricky Ice is coming with some fire tunes. I was busy, I was impressed. Masutu kule boys uyayicava uzayizwa esowethu bese lihlanya
ngayo ngizachazwa ukuthi Ricky for 5
Ricky Ice
ngiyephi ngo Ricky Ross
Ricky Ice we've signed him going portfolio at Deb 3 Studios. He's doing some amazing things behind the scenes. I hope maybe also our followers will check him. Ricky Ice uyabuya mana ngento zakhe staff sakhe siyaqoqeka siyaphuma. But anyway guys, let's get on with the show. We saw first ngifuna siqase ngo Chomlotho uRodwell Thabe. We saw PSL executive by keeper Ilokuzeni. Pressure lapana has been appointed to
CEO. Bembala nje pressure lapana iPSL agency confidence in sponsor kumchita because akafaka umuntu ewani ukuthi abantu abanengi bathi hayi ever since limfakeze interim since kuphuma uKenny Ndebele lapana umsebenzi awenzileyo uyahambelana lapha esifuna ukuya khona thina so ngcono simfake but uthi ngeke ubekwazi mdala abantu these days bafuna umuntu abakwanisa ukuthi bemtshela ukuthi yenza so thina singakwenza nje siqala sithi congratulations and then bese sithi let's hope nje i-direction esiya kuyo i-direction eyiyo thina siready nje ukusekela sincedise lapha esincedisa khona lathi njengabantu bemedia but esifuna ukubona kakhulu ukubona ibhola lethu li-improve because kudala libuyele emuva.
But okay,
I think ubuya ngepoint thina vele umuntu mabanga appoint asiyathi congratulations but usuka kuthathe khona af congrats sifuna ubone i-change sifuna ubona impact yakhe ukuthi uyenzani makuyingasi ukuthi bamngenise ngoba bafuna ukuthi uhambelane maybe ngoyistayela kwabo but thina sifuna ukubona i-change.
But what I like as you have alluded, Kanye, even our teams they post, they were saying ukuthi ever since waba ku interim position, so ungani kule change.
Yeah.
So utshengisela ngumuntu odevele ku PSL for isikhathi and he knows the terrain and ku interim enja but ama improvements abonakeni. I'll just read through ilokhuzeni. The Premier Soccer League PSL Board of Governors is delighted to announce the appointment of Mr. Rodwell Thabe as the substantive Chief Executive Officer of the Premier Soccer League effective November 1, 2025. This appointment marks a major milestone in the PSL's ongoing commitment to strengthening its administrative structures and elevating the standards of professional football across Zimbabwe. Rodwell's elevation follows a comprehensive and merit-based selection process aimed at identifying a leader with strategic vision and capacity to guide the league through its next phase of growth and commercial expansion. Rodwell brings a wealth of institutional experience, having been with the Premier Soccer League since 2012. Rodwell holds a Master of Business Administration MBA degree and a BSc in Computer Science, among other professional qualifications. Rodwell served with distinction as acting CEO since February 2025, demonstrating exceptional leadership, professionalism, and clear strategic focus. His tenure has been characterized by stability, decisive action, tangible process, and essential qualities for the PSL organizational reform and sustainable growth. During his tenure as acting CEO, Thabe has been credited with several key achievements that have contributed to the league's improved profile and operational efficiency. The PSL board of Governors and this Secretariat extends its full support to Rodwell Thabe as he assumes this leadership role. The league looks forward to a new era marked by professional excellence, financial stability, sustainability, and competitive football under his stewardship. I think from the press I can actually hear what I was trying to say. With even the teams were congratulating him, they were alluding to the fact that there has been some improvements, although you know vele ama problems aswelakala, but kwesinye isikhathi kumele angasikanye as if singabantu abasolayo umjokojo. Let's give the guy time as u2025 uqalisa i-tenure yakhe ngoFebruary.
Yeah, plus uqalisele you know singapho ngothi phakathi, because I'm sure ukuthi even if iborate lingakakhatshwa uPSL but ama preparations amanye bese in motion. So nxa ifika yena kukhona okuncane 1 or 2 okutshintsha, and okunye indaba ye confidence oyikhuluma la ukuthi even ama team they showed confidence. Even ama journalists mdala, you know umhlobo ama journalists esilawo abaphuzu
crash,
abaphuzu kusitshela ukuthi lapha kudlalwe ngathi lapha, but so far kulo ngani ukhala kakhulu wonke nje laba bangani bahambela. So kutshengisela ukuthi nje umembe ozoyenza into ayaziyo nje.
From 2012 usesibhanu nje ungabe ungafundanga lutho akuyenzi. So then there was also sase ku PSL a meeting that was held lana eLokhuzeni and befuna expand lezifa.
So andikuqale kwayenza i-meeting
general
meeting ye-PSL select member khona phana, so bahle bayenza into zoku outline ukuthi izifi proposile ukuthi kube le 20 teams from next season. And ngibonile, so I saw 2 angles of indaba le. Abanye enye abanye bahle bethi thwa maybe kenzela ukuthi inxe yalenders le Dynamo singarelegate, but I saw another one explainayo ukuthi 20 teams lezi kuzahamba njani. This season yaphela njengokuba 18 teams ezirelegated ezi4 zihambe, ezingena ezi4 from ama division 1 zingene, and then abo number 2 la lezinye ezi2 from iPSL, abo number 2 ama division 1 kuzayenzwa ama playoffs, then i-top 2 izozithathwa sezingena ziyenze i20 teams ya next season. So ama reasons akade ekhulunywa ukuthi kungangezela ama games provided ukuthi kuzachinja this time in terms of broadcasting, you know, advertising and stuff. I hope okungezelela kwama fixtures kuyangezelela also revenue in terms of ama broadcasting rights. Nxa kungezelelwa ikuchinza kungena imali eningi kule mali akade ivela ingena ku PSL lapha. you know ama livelihoods ama players achinja labantu abasebenzela ku PSA wethu achinja nxa izinto zenziwe kahle.
But I've got another ex basuthi angazi ukuthi what's your take on that one.
Mina indaba le la sike sayiphikisana kakhulu
Last week.
but mina I think ungezelela ama teams ngala ama stadiums esilawo thina hayi one vele mina ngibona ngani 2 lezimalini lapha singazi ama team abangezelelayo la awe engcono yini ezimalini like hayi cause mina ama team la ngabone le mali la amanye ngawophisa
As he's saying ukuthi aluzaba lama playoffs and stuff nxa kuphumelela into yakhona iza pasa engena izangena but the idea itself of increasing uyibona njani ukuthi increase kube lama team ayi20 because kunama perspectives amaningi engazule ngibona abantu abaningi bekhala but ungacheka eSouth Africa economically even ama stadiums proper
Yeah.
We all know in South Africa about West World Cup they've got everything but bale 16 teams.
Yeah.
16 teams only.
You understand? eZambia bangcono kulathi they've got 18 teams.
Yeah.
And they are looking forward ukuthi bekhathi to 16. eBotswana umakhelwane bale 16 teams bale 16 eBotswana.
Yeah.
But thina
Sifuna ukuba le 20.
economically we are struggling izifayela mali PSA kula mali asla infrastructure we are looking to add teams.
I don't
Yikho le ndaba khona.
no ngiyayizwa ipoint
Yeah.
yakhe. Le change engasoze ibonakale overnight and but like I said uyakwazi ukuthi nxa Gares kungathiwa sibili alright ngifuna ukusukela ku engo yokuthi mina unqobile Magwizi ngibona njani uZifa president and emadirino ukuthi asenzeni sizama ukuletha imali umember lwana ingqondo leziyano lazo anti so nxa kunguye echasise ukuthi ebuye ngeengo yokuthi ama fixtures engaba maningi ama broadcasting rights ebhadalo imali baningi ungakhayela ama channels bukela kuyibhora mdala ukhayela imali abazibhadalayo ukuthi be broadcast ama tournaments lama league even abo SA khona ngale and stuff even ama sponsors imali abazikhiphayo zizinengi ngenxa ukuthi kulama fixtures amangaki ngakhayela EPO layo i-reach ngenxa ama fixtures amangaki maningi.
I get that point but what I'm saying is I've met examples of amazwe amanye alemali
ukudlula
thina by far ale stadium ale infrastructure and everything because in that regard also abantu ba propose ukuthi siqalise sihambelane lamanye ama league around the world which means if into le ingapasa lathi sesiqalisa nini ngoAugust.
Yeah.
So whatever happens kuyenzakala singakwazi from January to August sibe senzana.
Yeah.
You understand ukuze sebambana labanye khoqo.
Yeah.
Remember kule CAF Champions League in that manner as well. Umele si represent Scotland.
Yeah.
It will not be competitive from
Yeah.
January to August. Smell nxa ukuthi into leya pass.
Eh.
But into esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi ezibabha silama stadium one
Yeah.
akula mali. Two, sithi broadcasting rights who's paying us is it BCI la mali.
Yeah,
Ama rights akubani.
Provided bazathola umuntu onika ama rights but yeah sembonile ipoint ethoyo ukuthi kumele siqale siyenze ground way.
Yes.
Eyokuthi sikwanise ukuimplementa 20 teams because nxa sibongobala ukuthi ama team angenayo next season alama stadium abuya lama stadium amatsha.
Akula stadium dala the only stadium esakho
Yadroko.
Yadroko.
Ukuthi angeke sibambe sihlale ethembeni but iHunters layo bathe esabo futhi laba basithuna ngayo.
Yeah, uyabona into futhi echongo asho ukuthi mafuthi valthi njani. Bheka now sonke sake sibone South Africa besifike eSouth Africa. eSouth Africa bale 16 teams zone zanezabo. Uyathola ukuthi ba squeeze Tuesday Wednesday bedlala ntambama. Thina akula isiphi stadium esiyala ithantambama khona. So far isiphi esiyala ithantambama khona.
Yeah.
Amagesi evileni
Ubona bale 16 thina sabe sesithope nge4.
sesile 20.
Sesile 20. which means thina kwazomela kudlalwa ngeMonday kuze kufike iFriday
and they bona ba relegator 1
bona ba relegate one
iyadlala thina se relegator 4
uyabo
ande 4 la
18.
ekurelegator 4 le ande kuthiwa izatshintshwa kube le National Division 1
yes
But
but ikhanyela Ajax kades they are now defunct siku regional Eastern region kule team defunct as well. Northern region kulamanye ama team adethwala nzima. Central region kulama team adethwala nzima mdala. Into le ayijahwanga yini?
yeah yikho sesibuyela khona ukuthi vele kumele uqalwe ngegrounds work.
You understand?
And igrounds work kumele even alright ama stadiums yakubona but ulama ama details vele sishona swachiya obo club licensing kudala mdala kubizwa abantu lapho ukuthi bezofundisa ama leaders ama local clubs ethu i-club licensing mdala iqhakatheke ekuthini ama clubs wona agcina sefundiswe lokuthi wona akwanisa ukuzisustain njani wodwa
That's another point.
Kungabe le club ephongu ephongu run yabona every day kuthiwa ikudonatiwe.
Remember we spoke about this kuma ukuthi i-team mayingena kungathiwa i-team ngomnyaka kumele ibe le 200,000 i-bank statement i-team maye ku Premier League ayihli keep i-bank statement ethi 200,000.
Yeah,
I understand. Singabe le situation afana bokhwekho kuzothiwa i-team ayibuyanga egame
ngenxa yemali
ngenxa finance. Understand?
Yeah.
Division 1 it will be even worse. That's why I'm making my example my teams anje abo Ajax. Akuthi ama sponsor bra.
yeah.
Once you make a national Division 1 league, yes, we are trying to promote competitiveness of the league. But proper are we ready in? Ngoba
Yeah, so
mdala imagine a team from Falls
Is
Harare.
Yeah, kabe kuzashe.
Mutare le
Imagine because we national division sikhuluma Division 1 but they were struggling ukubuya kobulawayo la.
But i-club licensing anyway vele ya-avoida khona lokho so sibuyela ku-same point. I-team eVic Falls yona nxa izimisele yona kuyamele ibe ready ukuhamba eHarare because even ngangena ku-PSL izahamba eHarare. And so club licensing vele kuqale ku-veteran vele ukuthi in the first place singakabala ukuthi linothando lokuthi libe le team eku-Division 2 or Division 1 lilala and ama resources angikhona lilawo yina yenela uyabona so I think nje le hero yomuntu wonke nje every stakeholder nje from supporter nikazi we team my players and then ama board PSL Zifa wonke umuntu nje
khona kanethi kube bathe it's a vision kube liphupho labo kuphela ngoba ngathi ukukhangela into kwakhona vele akumethi istandard anjabona kunje mina vele ngikhala ngokuthi ama team ase South Africa ethe 16 uAshkulment ethe 16 azama ukusqueeze ngeTuesday la ngeWednesday edlale wonke
yeah so aseze grounds work
what if lapha angadlalwa singakhulumeli ku PSL sikhulume economically our country sungezwa gci igates ngoba singathi siyakhuluma khona lapho ngezwa gci igates what if makusedla abantu sebebhadalile ngabe
so yiko ngena khona phela ukuthi wonke umuntu le road to play stadium vele stadium requirement ukuthi stadium sona kumele sibe le generator even emazweni even eSouth Africa khona ngale watched ama game kulenye game I think amazulu and Pirates badlala i Golden Arrows le Super Sport badlala amagetsi acicha kuntambama bahle ukulayita yafayini home team ukuthi wayilingela generator stadium sen so yiko ngikhuluma athi at the end of the day wonke umuntu le road to play from wena lami Masuthu lo Ash and sonke ukuphakama kusiyabanikazini be team kumele kube lama structures ukuthi I team yona yakwanisa ukuzisustain vele nxa sebe decide ukuthi kathe sesiya compete whether Division 2 or Division 1 or PSL.
So I think what's best ukuthi sizwe imphumela ephumile ku meeting
ePSL
ukuthi going forward because the meeting yabo iza answer wonke lokho esikukhulumayo uthi okay right January to August senzani kwenzakalani iyapasa yini into liyana are we adding ama teams to 20 are we having a national division considering ukuthi there are these factors because ngabantu abafundile I think konke lokho esikukhulumayo they've taken into consideration ukuthi kumele kube lezi zinto 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3
and i-club license mdala kudala kukhulunywa ngayo angazi umbe kule 5 years kushona invite abantu from outside bebe bezofundisa but uzabona kuyabhinyele uzathola i-club ayela CEO ilo president from president nguyofonelwa nxa kufunakala ibhasi nguyofonelwa nxa kuthiwa ama-players aholanga of course nguyo phezulu but ama-channels
ayila structure
ayila structure nxa ingela structure vele umuntu oyi-one mdala ngeke yenze zonke izinto including ukuthi zama ukuqoqa izimali zokuthi i-club irane kuhle ukhona umuntu omele ebe lengqondo zona lezo efake ofisini yakhe lapha so because utsho i-groundswork everywhere izifa la included but wonke umuntu nje involved in this eboreni leli wonke
every stakeholder but we hoping ukuthi something good will come out of this but asoze sekele ukuraise ama concerns
asingeke
you understand
asingeke
so then moving on madoda uchomlala mphamisa isandla I was the first ukusolu uMario ngikhangele iCV yakhe lendlela lapha becoacha khona but I think he's the first guy to speak what I've been trying to say over and over ngeBorel for the first time I've heard to coach speaking something right. I think ulandela phezulu kwento eke yakhulunywa nguMapeza at some point. I think Mapeza at one point but when he raised those issues waba black sheep of the family. I think it's time we take our football serious but there are a lot of factors that I want to touch on. We saw a game Warriors versus Algeria where we lost 3-1 to Algeria. Then after that match, we had to coach. I think social media has been busy about that issue. Abanye bamncanywa, abanye we've got different opinions, but githi mina mayisay majens amfuna utshona nchallenge amfihla umphini okukhulunywa nguMario I support and I second 100%. You know why? Madoda ngikhale ngokuthi isquad sabizwa mbani 1
wathola sibiziwe
2 wathola sibiziwe 1 and bekuyi first time ukusebenza lama players he's got new ideas new philosophy and everything but after that match akukhulumileyo about ama players that we have even bengazi bethu bekule resistance whatever but we've been saying these gents kulento ezirong ezinenge ebeziyenziwe mina I would say for instance we've got players maybe more than 5,000 professionals to choose from ama player adlalayo anga representa ilizwe umjidi uthe maybe we are using the wrong players
ukhona osigqokile izicathulo zona lezi kuma players
baningi angazi ukunilina what's your take on that issue because sithethe ukukhanyela sikubona yes we lost but kunini isikhala majens iZimbabwe aso club iZimbabwe ilama player asila 30 registered players ukuthi nxa ungasabizwa ngumsona kusele enye player nxa ungasabizwa nguNakamba kusele enye player bonke bona laba abantu esikhuluma ngabo abanye they are not even playing for their clubs madoda kunini isikhuluma do they really deserve to be in the national team proper ama players it's the current squad that's playing esiyadlala namhlanje ntambama le Qatar abaningi bankona do they really deserve to be in the national team ukuthi we are proud because I remember at one point madoda we're proud of our Warriors Fabish that guy would call I don't think ukuthi bekungenelwa ngabezifa whoever ngesikhathi sana la agent angabi khona angabi maningi nxa ibig squad will be proud ukuthi these guys properly they deserve to represent even isidliwe but you see ukuthi
kusetshenziswa
ochomla abadlala nje ilose sayithatha but bafuna udla even though we did not qualify for any major tournament but we're proud of our national team but I think what's happening now majens mina
and manje ukhuluma ngesikhathi kaFabish uFabish ungathi uyabhekisisa kahle wayekhetha ama players according to ukuthi ngendlela obona ngayo inadlala the best players ikakhulu wayekhetha futhi like njenga South Africa manje ekhetha in the lane khona apha eZimbabwe kube nama players amaningi aphumayo ewakhangeleyo manje kwamanje sokuyifecha lo munye wabuya lo wakhe ethi faka umana wanengi pinda mfana wangu sezibuza ucoach ukuthi which team ayidlalelayo udlalela iMiddlesbrough la ku Middlesbrough ngubani obheka uMiddlesbrough no one obheka uMiddlesbrough ukuthi uyadlala ngbuya bench ngibufaka lo Parker you know Parker South Africa uBernard Parker wagcina sebizwa esedlalela iChiefs lapha esase ku Lokhuzeni esadlala ngale ku FC20 umbebani
FC20 eNetherlands FC20
to wadlala 3 minutes isizini yo elokhu engena kuphela sub ongene sub
but you are raising valid point
yabo so those players abaye ngabatrainisa abanye khona ngalo ku Middlesbrough umepha omunye nguball boy tell kit on udlala ku Middlesbrough so akula lapha siya khona ngebhola.
Are you happy with
idea ka coach le mdala vele ngihappy ngayo and kuze kwayenzwa like kule implementation yenziwe izifa kuqatshwe kufakwa uNdiraya I think uNdiraya labo bantu bayi4 ukuthi bemncedise ukuchecka uzama ukuchecka amanye ama players outside of lava vele bekhethiwe so I think bazabe bekhona for as long as the contract ka coach Rana angasibe kuyi idea ka coach menga technical director but ubonisile ukuthi yena ufuna ukuba ngumuntu ozibonela yena ezikhetheli but with the recommendation yama local coaches etesilawo because kuyenziwe sibile committee of 4 coaches so nxa sokusiba njalo kusiniki hope because I remember even kuze kuhamba unisi ezexoxwe besikhuluma ukuthi ucoach thina sifuna ukuthi ucoach ozabuya next ebe ngumuntu ole freedom
yes
esikhethela ama-tools akhe
yes
esiyehlulekele elama-tools akhe engaresi vele yena ngathi mina ama-players lawa adliwe Algeria isime ngwakhethile akaqambe manga
ayisuke akhethile
yabona and nxa ekusebenzisa as an excuse vele it's a valid excuse valid reason ukuthi no sichayiwe because abafakiwe abantu but asime bakhethileyo and I don't think kunabantu abafit i-profile yabantu embafuna mina and yabe ngaqambi manga yabe ngakhulumi kubi nxa isitsho njalo wonke umuntu le type yama-tools afuna ukwasebenzisa so nxa bemvumela ukuthi engene kuphuye ama-players esilawo thina amaningi ama-players ashinele even in the local PSL
yakwazi into emboya yini mina emboya the most andizile kuthiwa abafana ngani kula abanye abangani sebedonsa inyawo ucoach ngani ukhulume kubi and stuff but that guy was talking proper football
no ivele kumele kube njalo kumele efike stand authority umasajana ama-ego majensi singamasajana ama-ego ngendlela okukubi ngayo how many games sichayo
we understand so my point is kanye to the Masud my point and to our viewers please have a say in this siza ukuthi imbono yenu ithini around this issue because madoda really we've got so many players that really want to represent Zimbabwe more than labona laba abakhona abaseKatar khathesi do you know ukuthi abafana laba sebezitshela ngantwa iZimbabwe yabo i-team yabo you understand ukuthi ukuthi akulo munye umuntu ongabuya ebizwe ethatha ijezi lena la which is a total lie
they're not fighting for
ngamanga amakhulu kakhulu
they're not fighting for the jezi laba bafana
I'm really not happy and the criteria they used ukubiza kunini ngikhala gents you cannot call like for instance uDivine Lunga is a good player quality player I know and is my boy but uqineni udlala uSundowns
yaphumula akudala ephumula
uqineni udlala uSundowns you cannot call such a player who is not active even Simthanda because that's not a club we've got players who are active who are playing for their clubs who really want to represent Zimbabwe and oDivine Lungu uzibebe lapha bakhona labo Nakamba labo Teenage labo Msona they were given a chance to represent then their careers boomed give others a chance also who will want to represent with pride is because I think Masudu ngokakhuluma into le ukuthi abafana laba they think they've made it engabale 10,000 ebank ebe nguyobizwa ukuthi kwasebona ntwa yena semkhulu ngasabambeki semkhulu that's not it, Maduda. We've seen ama-teams asire Brazil ama-professionals amangaki proper professional football players akuncengwa ngalo uyafica kule 18-year-old ibiziwe of oname kade sibathuthuluka akabizwa ku-squad
akusona kuthiwa experience
hayi
abatshoni bebhega yabona manje nampo umsona bayekile bengasabizwa sebebiziwe futhi vele khona ukhala kwabatshengisa ukuthi bafana lapha indawo ilahlile
you understand
into yini onakamba we don't know ukuthi abadlala kuluthoni abathola bekhona abadlali
dlala manda 21
ungu-captain national team
but ungu-captain national team uyabona like vele into akhona konke yifeja imbasambasa
awayijoko of a nation
ucoach lo achenzele khona isibindi ubonile ukuthi utshintshile lo captain we-team igame ya-Algeria bekudlala omunye
but gents going to the AFCON, I think it's high time ukuthi beziprove ukuthi we are really serious ngebhola, even if they don't take the pool
akula amount yokuziprove abazakwenza khona vele lapha nanti yena ucoach kapho ngokuqedisa ama-players akhetheleni then soon after match eQatar yana akabuyele ku-committee le ekhethiwe yebuza ukuthi guys libona ubani lobani kuqalwe kutsha nje.
This is what I'm saying ukuthi going to AFCON
laba vele even bengaze beziprove onganani I think 2/3 of team hayi
akunini madoda
semanje of ama-players aseZimbabwe asiyindawo
yikho vele nguTshoti vele 3/4 ama-players alaphana
asindawo
ahlale iphela igame behamba bahlale behambile
ngiyakusupporta
kusale kulungiswa
lami ngiyakusupporta
badlala emaklabhini abo badlala mabeqinisile badlala
ngcono ku-AFCON ebuye ezobukela ama-last games la last games nge-weekend ebukele Dobhe from laba abanye abantu ebese khangela
elandele vethi isizini yonke
bebedlala yes
uyathi into ebuhlungu kanethi kulabantu ama-players aphandle abalehanga abale-passion yabona ilo ukuthi engadlalela imahara nje but ile passion yokudlalela izimbabwe
but asisho ukuthi edlala imahara
asisho edlala imahara but abahanga for those positions
yes
and
my point exactly
babadlalisa khathana vele ababasondeze eduzane so siyakuphila labantu abanjani
yikho ukuthi
kuma-viewers bayakwazi kulama-players afuna ukudlalela iZimbabwe afuna ukuba le-cap eZimbabwe and abazayidlalela ngenhliziyo yabo bonke ufuna ukuwinisa hayi khona lokho bebiza onakamba bebiza ongabafana okungadlaliyo khona ongo-Paul Boy hayi kungaziswa yini
Jay azinto le lami ngene ngehathi exactly kuMasuthu because kuyabhowa ukuthi umuntu ezitshela ukuthi even ingadlali mina bambiza kuphela
kuyahlala kuphela
so
and abantu bona laba yibo futhi abathola
yibo sebeyi-problem
yibo ama-ring leader
exactly
asisho ukuthi benganikwa imali zabo recently sibala ukuthi upresident uthe wezifa uthe abafethu lokho besa imali abazidlala ku-AFCON during i-era kaKamambo
lana ama-contract abo lawa
upresident uthe abafethu asiyilo kuningi but obani libambile ama-10K abachidathi tswayi u-contract nasasayina 20
but yabona problem they are holding the country to ransom azingi ukuthi bengatholi imali zabo sebezitshela ukuthi bona yibo bodwa ama-players akho which is not the fact
yikho ngitshoyo ukuthi anabantu khona apho umuntu nalo ungathi wena so evaluate to right fine nje wasayinile i-contract of course aso performance based but lawo songazobe lesipindi sokuthi umbambe intamo la kodwa wonke lami ngikhala ngawo ukuthi but remember
phela kwazi Garnet on a serious note ungathiwa speak i-PSL 11 khathesi
yabhansa ama-Warriors aseQatar
5 bengabatshaya even 5 bona laba baseQatar singathiwa speak nini abantu abaserious khathesi ku-PSL khathesi like we saying ukuthi abafana abafuna ukurepresenta kuhle ukuthi sipike nini kuhle 11
defender weSimba Bora lwana
singapika proper 11 better zikhale le national team yabo yena le abafana bona laba bazitshelayo mdala ngutshela imango yamangala
bephiwe players so abafana bazitshela too much bazitshela ukuthi indawo le ngiyethu ungazulala uvuke iZimbabwe le yithi esidlalelayo ngani iZimbabwe
ngana kuna manje yazi uyangicaphula njalo
hayi vele like abaqaleni ko bekhiphe konke lokho
for the first time ukusupport ucoach I think men's what you do uzaphunga ufaka bit of because lokuzeni yakho ibinde
Yeah.
awukhulumile I think uma uzaphunga ukhatha la just to make contact to our viewers siza ukuthi our viewers also bathini on this issue maybe thina
Sidinga.
maybe thina sebekudinga maybe thina siro excuse uGarnet Buffett but maybe ncinga ngaphonga
mana mphongo bazi ukuthi
uqinisela nje for a few minutes siqedise but I think that's my point, that's my opinion, and this is our opinion around this issue. Sizwe ama viewers ukuthi bathini also around the issue there because I'm not happy and I'm in support of this coach also. Izifa ingasupport ucoach whoever even yena lo Mario bemsupport sibese sikhangela ama results akhe bonke uyehleke ngama results but bemsupport ezikhethele abafana abakhe because iZimbabwe have got a pool of players abafuna ukurepresenta ilizwe chance so menze stories you will put a video just to make a context kuma viewers it
all our strategy. Well, I think on patches the instruction was taken well, but on the other hand, you see, always in a new thing, there resistance. Always, they're resistant to change. So probably some of them down, they want to do things that they were done before, but those things that were done before needs to be changed. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here if they were, good. So if let's say, they would have probably, 7-8 wins in a World Cup qualification, I wouldn't be here for sure. But unfortunately, though, no wins in last 10 matches, and only 5 draws and only 5 goals scored. So obviously they have to change. They have to change, and I'm here, to help them change. And also the thing is this: you see, it's not a club. It's not like them. Is them that are part of a bigger pool, which actually we expect to look back home to some others to see have they got what it takes. Maybe, from this group, some of them, is one of these things sometimes in changes. Either you change or either you are changed. So probably it could be the same thing, that they have to be there. I have to make sure that they're going to select with my colleagues and with coaches back home. We give them assignment also with the legends. I want to see what are going to be the best players at the moment, the most informed, necessarily the best playing players, but the most informed at this point in time to take us to the AFCON to achieve what we want to achieve. And I think, the country has to be behind us. And it's like the same thing, the players has to accept that in the end of the day, we are here for their good. And they're all going to become the heroes if things are going okay. Well, I said, sometimes too much is the drum on this, let's say, tactical changes. Sometimes you don't even have to change tactical. It's only, the mental aspect to be changed, the attitude to be changed, the hard work, the determination has to be changed, and that system could make work. But I'm not saying, that we want to play that system. I said at the moment, we don't know exactly because we are looking to see the available personnel. As you know, some players, they are not available at the moment. Some players also, we had 2 slight injuries. 2 players are not training today, for example. We had 1 player that actually left. So we have to make do with what actually we got at the moment. And we'll see from that. And also we have to look at the opponent, see the opponent's strengths and weaknesses, which actually are kind of similar to this. The opponent is extremely strong. People has to know that they are the champions of Asia. So it's, fantastic team. We had, 2 fantastic opponents. They are qualified for World Cup for a reason. So I think, we have to raise our game more, and I think we can do that.
Then moving on, gents. Premier, we were spoken about the Premier Soccer League. There's the Chibuku Super Cup final that's coming up between the Triangle Dynamos. The venue, basifakele eKipo mhla ka 29 iyadlalela eKipo 29 November. That's the showdown that will take place. I think it's a good thing ukuthi izinto kuhle kuyaziwe. That's the way to go actually. We were professional in that way. Since it was the final, we anticipate. So sesiyabuyela kutsho mntwana ukuthi uRodwell khanya ngani kudos to
indaba ama-final echibuku lapha mdala benilandela ngalanda idebe announce i-home ground ithwani lapha abazadlala ivenue sensithi home ground andikhipho i-home ground ye-triangle so bengichecka i-history vele yama-final echibuku since ifikile. I think vele singathi 95% of ama-team akade sehome ngesikhathi sonesa abewina ebeyithatha ngakhayela bula Chiefs idlalela eBF ake se-Renters yathatha
yarelegate
i-Dynamos lapha edlalela khona eRufaro yabona I think enye yathatha kuyini FC Platinum eMandaba and then yeah I mean i-Dynamos lapha edlalela khona eRufaro. So I think it's a pattern esibonisa ukuthi i-teams
home team
kule team kulama team athola ama home ground advantage. I-suggestion ambuye attack angazi ukuthi why benze I'm sure bale reason but esikutsho ukuthi bengazama ukuthi nje izinto lokho be neutral. I understand basichazisela bathi bona bazama ukuthi ichibuku Super Cup bazama ukuthi beyibhodise nje
as a brand
as a brand beyibhodise all corners of ilizwe yabona but this is a final sokudlaliwe ama games ama preliminary kwadlalwa ama quarter final stuff I'm sure babhodile nje bake badlalela la seGipho le nje ngabe bazama ukudinga neutral venue bebuye even eBF la bezozidlalela nje kungabe le team ele home ground advantage.
Okay ngiyakuzwa lapho kusho like I think National Sports Stadium man ingalungiswa ibe khona like what they do kwamanye amazwe ukuthi National Sports Stadium host ama finals. I think if we can go that route it's a suggestion but I like it ukuthi we all know ukuthi England if there's a final here Wembley yeah so if we can do that ngaku second ku point yakho anything to add Masutu on that one.
Hayi
lapha uvumelana layo
uvumelana layo ukuthi kube twavele neutral kube kumnandi ama final even World Cup kuba neutral yonke into ayibe neutral.
Then still on PSL chance there was a issue take sure I hopefully we also disciplinary judgment yakhe former Ngezi Stingeza though is suspended Ngezi Platinum coach but I was not happy with that judgment.
Iko ngotsho ukuthi lapha
I really was not
akusebenzanga mthetho lapha kusebenza inhloni la I think umuntu oyenza decision le uthetha ama sentiments abantu abesithi uChirago wachaya player ngenxa yokuthi uref wayenzani.
You remember ngakhuluma futhi that issue ukuthi sebe suspend uref they are now giving what Chirago case
ammunition yeah so yiko ngotsho lami ukuthi umuntu ayenza decision le wayenza okwenhloni ukuthi but uref way wrong so uChirago sesimpanitshelani but uChirago la waba wrong because ungakhayela similar case kwacha keeper yada
bese mfuna ukuya khona phana wathi wayichakho
keeper yada utechayiwe umuntu wamchayo wabhana whole season ku PSL uthi asifuna ukubona vele eduze.
Is it not the season that's coming?
The season ebuya
talk about all football activities
asifuna ukubona
kumele ngabe abe khona
plus $4,000
yes
uChirago manje bathe 4,000 bamsuspendele 1,000
sokuyi3
on condition ukuthi akaphindi khonokana also on another condition ukuthi uzahamba ku counseling beyenza ama management issues but vele we don't expect a professional coach ukuthi ebe umuntu otawula ama anger issues afuna ku manage
that I get but now law of precedence alright kanyethi umjita lwana banned on all football activities why not follow suit
with Chirago
yeah
so I want you to remember
as a coach wenza such a thing
because lwana vele umuntu oyada umuntu osemuva backroom staff awulandawa so simbone even engaze ubuye
I understand
abanye vele ngabani so yiko lamanje lokuthi umjita Chirago sawathi nguyate ngicoach but wenza such a thing disciplinary kungabi le
Ngoba
justice
uChirako nje nguye umuntu adomele kwenza example not
Hayi, yes.
domele kwenza example even ama
And more
upcoming
than
ukuthi into le vela yenza
even ama upcoming coach ebone nje ukuthi awuyenza okufunayo
Yes.
uyabona
Yes.
but asiye basikutsho
le bora le Zimbabwe
yikho isiza gcina sesibuyele appointment ka Rodo Thabe but hayi akuqhubeke
It's some of the problem omele ba check because serious guys umuntu ubhaniwe eBoreni similar incident follow suit alright uthi alright lawo 2026 asuke ubone eBoreni
yakazombe even ngabe bathe siyambhana 10 matches athi singaso
yes you understand
but is scot free
so lapho phela ukhipha umuntu ejele odele icala
konke kuray ngoba ozayenza la yathi ngani ulokhu izini yabenza suwaye ngikhosha okay iplayer ngadaburile iplayer ngempama uzali suspend njalo
mdala la vele isizini leyo nale siphela le ku trend ama boycotting untana ade bephuma emagameni uref engaphambanisa bayenze example ngokwenzani fine izimali eziserious ama team achuma kumele kube njalo vele everywhere because abantu sebezenzela abakufunayo nje you know but I hope Rodo Thabe you know I hope bazajinja I hope mdala bamfaka ngenxa ukuthi uyavuma konke abakukhulumayo I hope so because
that's our cry
okay because I mean issue there let me just go through it with the Premier Soccer League Disciplinary Committee released its judgment in the matter involving Platinum Stars FC, their head coach Tekshua Chiraku and player Kutsai Chikwida following incidents that occurred during their Castle Premier Soccer League match against Dynamos FC played at Rufaro Stadium on 4 October 2025. Platinum Stars FC were found guilty of disturbing the normal proceedings of a game and improper behavior by their players and technical team fined a sum of $5,000. Head coach Tekshua Chiraku pleaded guilty to charges of violent and disorderly conduct and improper behavior likely to bring the league into disrepute. He was fined $4,000, of which $1,000 was suspended on condition that he attends anger management lessons and an organization approved by the PSL, by the Premier Soccer League. In reaching its decision, the disciplinary committee took cognizance of the coach's public apology to the player, the league, and all stakeholders. The committee also considered his accountability, remorse, and the punitive internal disciplinary measures already instituted by his club without delay. Notice was further taken of the coach suspension from official duties and his voluntary decision to step down from his position as ZIFA senior men's national team assistant coach during the recent FIFA World Cup qualifiers. Against the Platinum Stars FC player Kutsai Chikwida was also found guilty of ungentlemanly conduct and improper utterances to a match official and fined $100. So Upoizela Chikwida was fined $100.
Nah, but uBoyze lokhu siyakubona but ama measures abatheke for lokhuze naye.
You're not happy. I'm not lami ngikhalini.
Hayi umuntu eyenze swana echa free. Lokhu phela kufanele ukuthi umuntu ebulele umuntu ukuthi hayi free. So umuntu atemele as a coach nguye atemele be
Perfect example. Yes.
Abantu abaningi even lama players even la kupho ama coaches la amancane abona ukuthi into le ayenziwe.
Yes.
Kuyabulala le bhora leZimbabwe. Ngoba lo muntu okukhangeleyo khona kuyathi but for what? Kulenye indoda ehleliyo manje ebhane for 2 seasons umbe 1 season. But lo sokubuya kuthiwa hayi kahambe free roll. That is bad.
So on another issue, to our viewers, Uganeti has left us as we alluded to Ukishimera somewhere, but the show goes on. In another case, Masutu, away from Premier Soccer in women's football, I'm disheartened. Over the weekend, we saw Rentals being Rentals being ama champions. Team kaBenza. Kulokunye umntwana uthoka yabulala ngokubenza. Ongitsheri uthoka yabulala. Angakubonisha ku Rentals, but Rentals ke ngayihlambi jana ngayibona. So team kaBenza, ifamily kaBenza, uBenza ungassistant coach kubafazi became ama champions ebafazini. Then okumboyile ebafazini bro. Islanders Royals
relegated.
Islanders Royals.
Islanders relegated. Mina kuthi kuthiwa Islanders relegated. Uyagijima ekhangela le league yefanini. Uyabona into yakho isuka nga ku administration. khangela i-under 90 kuyafana kuma under 17 konke kusehla kusiya kubo 13 le kuyafana akukho kuseduzane so I think i-Islanders women mathiwa relegate asela phela enye team lapha abantu sibele kuzenkiwe
sokusela imphosa kubomama
sokusela imphosa but kodwa vele i-team wathi sikwazi ukuthi ilama supporters amaningi kade kuyi-Islanders
yes
but mayisenza so lokhu embarrassment Highlanders relegated enkulu yabafana ngapha la yenza izidai
kunzima
ibhoso la i90 la yiselo kuze kutshoni kini ma administration asifuna ukubuza ukuthi kutshoni la admin kutshoni kini konoko akula into enhle which means angibona into ekufuthi anikazi sikhuluma ngoMarine into ekupitch antsho ideterminewa yinto esematafuleni etafuleni ngale kungaba vele kube ludaka unga expect into eright kulokho sene so administration ayizama ukungcono
nxa ngikuzwa kahle is what we've been saying from league Galisa ukuthi phezulu because I think ama supporters amaningi Islanders Football Club abekhala ngento yi1 throughout the season it's now showing ama results if first team fighting relegation up to the end of the season if I tell you relegation we don't know what's going to happen but sathi sikhangela iDeliana last episode sa check ukuthi ingaba safe ingaba safe
sokungaba
yes sezingaba safe iyoni singaba safe le chicken ibhoso 90 isurvive irelegation ngenxa ukuthi iAjax ibingasekho
iAjax ibingasekho very totally
so yaphiwa 3 points
yaphiwa 3 points leziya
yikho kuyenze isurvive irelegation ebafazini relegated so ama team wonke awe Highlanders a ground they not up to standard what is expected ngama and you are rightfully saying ukuthi ku affectwe iphezulu so i-administration eHighlander lina njengama supporter
thina sithi administration liyana asesicela selihlulekile administration lani likhangela ama results enu valilisani kuhle ngento sokuludaka vele sokuludaka totally nanka amantombazana serelegatiwe abafana akukhanya ukuthi ibhoso sibili iza relegate ombeze sokungaba irelegation liyani survive iAjax so akula ma results eliwafakileyo on the table so esikutsho ukuthi abantu sebekhale kakhulu ama supporters akhale kakhulu abantu bakhale kakhulu bakithi ngesihle maye ukuthi akula mali phakathi athi maye ukuthi alitshonti ngana singatshontsha inja sifihla umphini maye ukuthi alitshonti hayi phumani linganzarili hayi
but kule into belokho ngiyikhuluma isizini yonke about issue nale but yini elayikhethayo
ku-Islanders laphana ayisakhethwa kakhulu yiko manje ubona amakhadi ama lifetime lawana ungahamba wona ulithole
njani
inzaku saliphuma lapha sike sikugugula into wakhona ubuze labantu awulithole sike sakhuluma ku why singathola amakhadi e lifetime abakunikezi ngoba into lana sebeyenza okwabo akukhangela ibody yonke administration la ukukhangele ezinye izibongo ukuthi zinengi kangakanani khona pha
so uthi kule sandla semfeni
lapha la kulabantu abakhohlakalileyo ku-Highlanders ngoba ku-administration abaningi kakhulu
but it's now showing ngoba soku-affecta ama-team ayiyo abantu abathandayo eground kulabanye abantu abangalandaba lokuthi ku-executive kulobani kwenzakalani but ama-results are now showing sikhuluma khathesi sikhuluma ukuthi ibhoso 90 survive relegation by Whisker abafazi relegated endala layo khonapho uyazokunzwisa ubuhlungu wini it's Highlanders at 99 next year it's Highlanders 100 days
sike sakhuluma ngawo kona ukuthi next year it's Highlanders 100 years mawufuna ukubona ukuthi sona sikhuluma ngento zabadala ukuthi akula lapha eziya khona next year it's 100 years akula into esifakiwe esikhangeleleyo ukuthi siza celebrate ngayo kumbe kuzayenza akula into kube ludaka from kube thatha ichibuku kumbe thola lathi sayenza something liyani team ithandwa ngabantu bezalwa umuntu esase UPH esase kamama kusesetan but yet abantu abalaphana i-culture yinto esebantwini manje but yet abantu bona bana bazithathela imali kuphela abalandaba lapha abalandaba lento la abalandaba legacy you can't say now bavika ngani our question livika ngani okwamanje because i90 ichithe kancane ya relegate we thank for iAjax for la ukuthi ayisadlali ibhoso enkulu vele akuselani silandele sayilandela akula lutho manje 38 ile sidlala enga games 38 points only 38 points
in 33 games
33 games okay asithi ngelokhu zeni besithola 1 point right phakathi games besithola 1 point besithola 1 point besithola 1 point
yazi ngokela njalo kufa
besithola 1 point
ngokela njalo kufana nje
sidlala 33 games besithola 1 point
ngokela njalo kufana yeah but rightfully is 38 points in 33 games
33 games besithola 1 point which means akebe lokukhangela ukuthi abantu laba bathi ba celebrate kangaka ama supporters bawina uthiwa namhla sithayi victory kangaka awundi vela akula lutho ungalanda ama13 alokunya kulanda ama13 akula lutho lakho vele kuphansi
so nje la ku development
la kuma development vele kuphansi le akula lutho eku Highlanders so far into ekhona ku Highlanders yijirawolu yabo angazi kube kumbe uthiwa bakhuluma ngenye into azi bakhuluma ngejirawolu into engalancedo phakathi kube kumbe uthiwa ibhasi ku Highlanders kusisela ibhasi
alika
akula bhasi akula lutho this
season on the 99th year as a fan ngezindlela uthi it was a total failure.
This is a total failure angifuni tshela manga labo Nkomo labo Willard Khumalo babuhlungu ngento yenzakala manje.
Results are there for everyone to see.
Everything is there. Kusegcekeni lento le ukuthi everybody yiko ngithi even labo Khokho onkomo bani yo babuhlungu ngento le. Willard Khumalo mababona Highlanders sinje so.
Hey,
so amadlwane
sungikhumbuza interview yenye enzisa ubuhlungu eka Ezra ekhuluma lo Baba. Yazi ngaphuma inyembezi legendary coach njengo Baba akasaboni emehlweni umdala. Ecela uncedo i-team enkulu ayiseve isikhathi eside
ehambisa ama players ama juniors lana desukela ku Baba. Sisasengabantwana nathi besikwazi ukuthi kuBhaba yiko kudlulwa khona.
But iHighlanders ayiphuma yazi yiyo i-team ode kumele ithi umdala wethu bemphakamise bemthwala because ubekhala ngokuthi uhambe siyahlatshwa ama injection. I think ubufuna ngeviki ufuna something like $300-400 ukuthi besiyahlatshwa ama injection. I think umkhuhlane wechukela usumthwala senzima umdala. Bengikhangelele mina ukuthi i-team ayisave isikhathi almost half his life i-Highlanders iyenze something towards that.
Ashazi lento ibuhlungu bro ungathi uyatiphoza la mkhumbula ukuthi that man unyawazi ibhora unadala wadlala vele khumbuthi uBhaba wayesenzani mdala ekhambisa abanengi laba vele kusafika ubongozo lapha kusiyafika vele kubo sizawo
isandla sikaTubi akuphikiswa
vele ilo ubuya lebho ekunika ibhora
akuphikiswa
athi ipass
ahlabona
interview yakho khona lapha usenze interview manje mase gula iHighlanders yeke lokungena akuyakhanya ukuthi iHighland ngeke ingenele ekusituation le mayisihlule ukungenela kubo Baba ngoba vele bona abantu abakhona abalani le Highland abalanda bale Islander abavele umoya wabo awukho la ku Islander bona bafuna izimali bona bafuna ukuzidlela bafuna ukuthi angazi umbe vele kubuhlungu kakhulu ubaba
hayi njengababa
uyakwazi ukuthi viewers labo mabelalela ngisho makusenza iIslanders sehlulekile in the ground labo Ezra mabelalele Ezra ule opportunity Ezra lapho mawukhona ulalele ulama opportunity yokungena kuma social media wena abantu bayakulandela akuvulweni ibhuku okuyilokuzeni kwaBaba oku social media abantu bechaya ngamadola wanathi ubone ukuthi abantu abalothando lweIslanders they can do it
angeke be
abantu they can do it ubaba yayehawu
angeke as into lana dread
so akuvulwe something for ubaba
you know why I raised this
sizenzeleni
you know why I raised issue kaBaba usumbonise engisho ukuthi no man things are not done
in a proper way
yeah. Ngoba if ulo muntu who saved you like what Alibaba did. Islanders bemele be first team ophamisa isandla ithi hayi umuntu lo siyamnceda I situation on the Kades angazi ukuthi how will they try and save ama Islanders Royals because for them being relegated kobulawayo ungathi Islanders vele lesibulawayo bra
sibulawayo
so ama Islanders Royals bengakhangelanga ukuthi ungaba yi team
relegated
otherwise yi team okumele ngabe iya compete labo Rangers labo Chapungu because kobulawayo if there is a talented girl a talented woman odlala ibhola obvious first port of call mele ku Islanders but now the situation
masikhuluma ngebhodi ukuthi vele ibhodi ayilalutho engine yethu ayilalutho ivuza ioil akulalutho ibhodi yeIslanders hayi
so wena as a fan going forward because league yaphela
mina as a fan mana ngikhulumele ama fans wonke yonke into nisema groupini yeIslanders afika 7 into engasafunakali ku Islanders iadministration akusafuna ka vote hayi abaphume
but kunzima without you know kunzima without
vote abaphume yiko ngithe ash if ukuthi abala lutho oluba abalwenzayo antu bayiselectwa ngabantu abantu abasalifuni phela phumani mali yanzarela which means kulolunye lutho olulusalelayo lapha olulwenzayo lungasilo but as of now abantu they are fed up they are done deal ngani selidingana abasafuni ngani loba lingayenza into enhle abantu abasalifuni administration and totally lathi asalifuni bakithi asalifuni abantu abaphuma
aya fed up
abaphuma nanka ama Royals ahambile ubaba manje uyagula nothing elikwenzayo ubaba ulithethe uyayilendaza uyithethe ngoba abakwazi wena le ntombi azange beyilandele ibhola thina sisabafana abancane ibhola besililandele siyakwazi ubaba ukuthi abanye abantu abahamba ku Islanders ngoba kwakuhamba la ubuntu yeIslanders sibili umsebenzini lapha akusayiwa dlala ngenxa kaBaba manje umuntu oswela amaphilisi edola likuphi eMalanders konke siyacela kube lokuyi platform sifaka amadola libonke iIslanders ziyathanda ama Royals ahambile ina90 isurvive Ajax
hey
so siyaphela abantu abanjani
le ngifaka kini njengama supporter njengoba usukhulumile la ungelinye supporter elikhulu le Islanders la executive nxa bebukele please abazame to make sure ukuthi they make you guys happy izifiso zenu njengama supporter because Islanders is a big club even world over Islanders is a big institution ukuthi
isupportwa eIslanders ngazo sihambe kuDimbara sonke sihambe ensenga akula support engange yeIslanders lapha eZimbabwe local abaphikisa but akula support njengelo
inkulu is a sad situation that's happening ku Islanders. Then finally as we close we look at Premier Soccer League Khasilaka Premier Soccer League ya ikhatheni liyayihla nge Saturday la nge Sunday ama fixtures aphumile ama game ayadlalwa Saturday Sunday nge Saturday That's the final match day 34. Saturday, 22 November 2025, we've got Tel 1 le Scotland Ascot Stadium. Asihle sithi kaka sivala.
I think Tell one will win or either draw. Scotland vele angisayi lokho ngoba they are didn't done deal. Kuya play team number.
Speaking about Scotland Masutu, kule rumor. Hey, uyibona izimoto kuthiwa umember uzithengela abafana.
Motivation.
Wena uthi badliwa bethengela izimoto ezinje and kule party eGweru efuna ukwenziwa inkalakatha yeparty in celebration of because babephakamisa trophy remember. Ukuthi bengadliwa kuyilanga lokuthi bethole izinto ezimnandi kangaka.
Lapho sumvula amehlo. Ngade ngikhulumela ukuthi kade ngakwazi ukuthi kule party.
Kala kade yeparty uthola
le cup yasikumisela ba.
Le cup yaphakanyiswa.
Therefore sebenzayenza by all means ukuthi beyiwini lapha. Beyithathe bewinile.
You see now.
Team A izadlala lapha.
You see now.
So mina ngicela badlala ukuthi hayi iScotland vele isingawini.
You see. Uyayizwa? Thoba congratulate Rick Ross. So you understand ukuthi how big and season ithe iqalisa. Sikhale kakhulu ngeteam zembinga ukuthi imbinga zebe. I think iScotland team yes obviously bale mali yonke. But in terms of raising the bar ku Premier Soccer League they've outdone.
Bona bayenza into yonke.
They've outdone themselves.
Bona bayenza into yonke. Yona management yabo yonke into umuntu nomuntu adehlele endaweni yakhe.
Lokhana kwenziwe i-order abala or i-cash.
Hayi one i-cash, two i-order. Yabona sungaba le mali but uswele i-order.
Njobona ukhala ngiyakho i-team uchivayo ubelokhu ekhipha imali.
Ulokhu ekhipha lokho siyakha ithiwa i-Giroud.
Ngesithi le team yakho akula mali.
Hayi.
Imali
ikhona.
So kushoda i-order.
Sithengisa men.
So suchiji ngolotho wathi iScotland is winning this one because bra
there is no way.
I
want Harare ba celebrate. Manje lapha sebezo celebrate eGweru. So bala baya abantu eGweru bathi kathi bora liyafika ku level le. Ngoba sake sikubona ku Liverpool uma bethatha ileague bebhode ngelokuzini. Kathi bora lapha eZimbabwe liyafika ku level le. You know ukuthi bayibhora balithathanga. Balisa
be very serious.
Kela ukhulume ngezimoto. Ama players they are motivated.
Yeah.
Because la uma ukwazi ukuthi lapho uza drive. Kulo kuphuma usiyamisa umchovo. Izulu isina kangaka. Wena madoda let's face the facts. Kurong.
Let's hope as a Amakara because I remember begena ku Division 1 wathi kulama akho abanye ngana bakathola. So let's hopefully lezi laba njobe win league baphiwe. Then any game ezidlalwa Saturday iMozi le Ngezi Platinum eNgoni Stadium. Mina my prediction for Scotland my prediction for Scotland I think Scotland will win this one.
Yeah, namathe Scotland will win.
Then Mozi versus Ngezi Platinum.
Mozi singawina or draw. Ngezi hayi.
Yeah, I see.
That's because my league is paying Ngezi layo vela ifight relegation.
I also see straight draw.
Mozi yona iyadlalela ukuthi ise home.
I also yazi kule into enye into enza ufuna sikhulume ngathi singaqeda igame yeSaturday le iRenters le ZPC Kariba eRufaro. That's the last game yeSaturday. Uyibona njani?
iRenters ZPC. iRenters i-team lana is not bad kakhulu but mina mbona ngani layo khonapho la singawini. Because I like ZPC aso team lana zabe sihlangene but mina I go with the ekamdala iloba ingene shotile mawuvola team lethi iyadlala team le ingene shotile umdala wabe ngekho la 30 minutes 45 minutes yonke but nansi khona
I see a straight draw. That's before ukhuluma something. Remember ama predictions. Kulomunye umuntu ethe, you know what guys? Selincede kakhulu ama predictions eMoz. I think iMoz imanagement nxa bekhangele amele bebonke bazama something because ama Panthers eziningi ezigembulayo asizamile isizinde asizamile ukutshela ba so kumele senze something ngeMoz iMoz kumele isenzele something ifake something ngutshele manga bebe ngama sponsors ngenye idea e-plan because ama game guys babo kulochomo une 38,000 last week and we had said it on the show ukuthi ama draw aba
I
manengi
remember ukhuluma ngakho sithi la vele ngama draw la o predict ama draw wonke
aphuma
maye kuyukuthi yiko sithi iMoz must do something
haya
baningi abantu ababela lo ndololo wayilalo wathi mala mphangu ulandele umuntu lo yabo
so bengasizama ukuthi abantu bahamba bese yagembula eMoz ama prediction then ngeSunday 23 November 2025 last games layo ama proper relegation fights bafake wonke ngeSunday just to make sure ukuthi akulanto funny enzakalayo. Greenfield versus Triangle le final le lose ya Chapans finally layo ama final anti ngikhumbula last time siyenze ama permutations wonke ukuthi sikhangele sibone ukuthi yipi relegate and la ngama proper final
lapha ngagetsa le score mawungasuka ube 1-1 kaba yi-0-0 lapha yi-1-1 or yi-0-0
lapha kuyafika mina
ngaphandle
uGenesis Mangobe
enye ikore nge-second half ngama-dying minutes isivali
mina my prediction is mina uGenesis Mangobe otsho umntwana ngendlela asebenze ngayo ngendlela enithande ngayo umsebenzi wakhe ngimfisela azi iwin ehle relegate Greenfield surviving because yami so mina I will give it to a Triangle then BF Chicken Inn versus Islanders
iziphofu zodwa iziphofu mazama ukudingana indlela sesingaze kuyephela singayibonanga indlela wesu kuthiwe $5 khonapho manje
$5 ibhora leli
$5 ibhora leneli
iChicken Inn iyakhweza
iChicken Inn isiyakhweza
last game
into
le into dina
manje into le ayisiphathanga Chicken Inn lapha likhona alisiphathanga $5 ngamathima relegation lawa akulalutho alidlalelayo but lithi $5 ungani kumbe kule league ewinwayo
bakwazi ukuthi abantu babuya bezoqala
kumbe kubahlale phansi le administration webhozo kodwa asidingeni imali festive
amboni ukuthi uyadinga festive
ngoba vele
but
for what
into le isiyenzakala kakhulu ngangilokho ngizibuza ukuthi why ungathoka ngani kuba le big game imali ziyakhwezwa ungathoka ngani kuba le big game imali ziyakhwezwa
ashi besikhangele namhle kuseni sikhuluma ngakho iyalendazi idlala ama games amangaka ama $3 la
but la ibilokukhweza iyayilindi
yalendazi vele ibikhweza la $5 which means ama saboteurs sethwele nzima ama $5 siye rare $5 siye ngaphi $5 yabo iChicken Inn la last game nazi iziphofu zodwa mina ke lapho vela ngifuna ukuyitshela manga ngisabona sibile Islanders iwin yabiyenzakele but iziphofu azihlali ziziphofu kube yi-0-0 kumbe kube-1-1 ngoba kula into edlalelwayo
I think the good result is a draw alama I see kusongayenzakala but iChicken Inn is a boogie team for Islanders isingawini iChicken Inn but I wish ukuthi kungaba i-draw from what we spoke about sikhangela ilokhu last week ukuthi i-draw favors both teams in terms of reelection. Then this one is another final. Imanika le Bikit. Are trader get because from the log edliwala ya Chapans.
I think I will go with Manika in favor of home advantage. And then ngoba laphana asingazi ngoba babedlala lama draw expect awe Islanders yiko ngithe Islanders draw maybe ayimeli win imali babedlala labantu abadlala draw babedlala abantu abadlalela
What do you expect?
ama-draw expect babulala bangaze ngaze uhambe labo
ipoint a game
bona bafuna kahle kahle kubethwa kadlalwa ama-games ayi-40 bafuna uba ne-40 points 40 games so imanika hayi singawini ngoba ayidlala ama-draw expect
Later, I see a draw. I think it's a 0-0 or a 1-1. Le Manika le Pikita ukuyafika. Then Simba Bora versus Yata eWatsanaye. Yata we saw is on 35 points.
isimba layo uthi ayidlali kahle but singazumbi iyavala layo
But the goal difference is not favoring Yata even bengawin.
yiko ngithi hayi isimba layo singawini isimba
When I see this one, I see
isimba kubo 2-0 1-0
you see first win Galuphahla in 7-8 games. In 8 games. He's going to get his first and last win for and kulama rumors. Yeah. Kulama rumors ukuthi is going. Sabe sithindlebe. So ngayenza ukuthi be last esithi bye iyabhabhayisa ngewin. I see Simba relegating iYada. Then iDynamos FC Platinum eRufaro. Another final.
Manje i-final
Another final.
iPlatinum ngichaza ukuthi iyabedlalela ayirelegate right yona but iDynamos kameli win iPlatinum ngeke iphangovuma khona.
This one I give it to kind 1-0.
Mina lami
Ngonga so penalty.
like you usually say sengananzelela ama predictions akho uyibona ngakho iDynamos lapho wayipredict khona ukuthi iDynamos ivukile ngiyayibona ile change iDynamos aso team lelo ngathi okwamanje hayi
iyadlala ibhola
hayi
iyadlala ibhola
even that day ayidlalanga okuRopa yayisedliwe ya fight iDynamos ya fight iPlatinum ay fight like iDynamos I give you to okay indudlaleni okay indudlaleni
this one I'm giving it to iDynamos
lama I give it to iDynamos 1-0 1-0 to 2-0 iPlatinum ay
then dead rubber kwekwe the Capes ale this is a dead rubber iCapes ebifuna ukuthi just to maintain but I think this is a dead rubber I done it. This one is a done it. So from what we said ngama lokhuzeni kuma predictions ethu lawo if ever kwenzakala ngendlela esikhulume ngayo so ilogo yethu just to make sure ukuthi ama viewers sikhamba sonke nini asilahlekelana those that follow iPremier Soccer League phansi kule khwekhwe is on 10 points sithe ingadliwa then iYada is on 35 points kule possibility ukuthi ingadliwa yilokhuzeni iSimba then iGreenfield is playing iBikita iGreenfield is on number 16 iBikita is on number zingadraw ziyaphuma zinje iBikita ingawina iya ku40 iyabe relegator iGreenfield so kusala one slot esemanika between iDynamos le Manika Imanika is playing iBikita nje Imanika is playing so ilokhuzeni Imanika ingawina iya survive iTriangle ingadliwa yacha phansi iDynamos ingawina yacha ingadliwa iDynamos siyacha phansi so ilogo yethu imenjalo phansi ama team proper esagcina sikubonile sakuvumelana aku danger yokucha phansi iManika iDynamos iTriangle i-Bikita, i-Green Fuel.
i-Greenfield.
The IATA
IATA
is
already,
as good
yeah.
as IATA is as good.
IATA
It's as good as gone.
iyada lekhwekhwe
IATA the Kwekwe is as good as gone. So between Green Fuel, Bikita, Triangle, Dynamos, and Manica, these ones are playing for their lives. So, asazi ukuthi kuyazala nkomoni, but those are the last games. The local ime njalo isitshengisa njalo. So guys, we hope to see you next week after these games. Asazi ukuthi kuyabe kuzala enkomoni yiphi yabe sihambile, but there's another thing before we go Masutu. I'll give you time usinikeze your last words. Ababukeli bebebuza ukuthi will the show will definitely continue after i-Premier Soccer League, because remember we've got i-AFCON as well, and sithile kulama transfers.
sama transfers kulento eziningi.
Kulento eziningi we've got ama players abe off. We need to find out from ama players abe around ukuthi what bayibone
What's
njani.
going on.
Yeah, bayibone njani. Look, so we'll be inviting ama players. Please look forward for the show. The show will definitely go. Masud, before you go, your last words.
My last words to my viewers, siyabonga kakhulu my viewers, continuani lisubscribe, ikakhulu my viewers, continuani lijikela imbono, sifuna imbono kakhulu ama advice lisize lapha esisalele khona, lokunye kuyizinto ukuthi maybe lali sikukhohliwe likufake. So continuani like ishow, continuani sisonke until and until.
Inyakuzo. So sesivala sesichaphansi, gents, ladies and gentlemen, from the bottom of our hearts we appreciate and siyalinqanywa support. Keep on supporting the show. Definitely the show is going on. Keep on glued to your gadgets, to your screens. Abasibukela kuma TV, abasibukela kuma gadgets. Siyabonga, we appreciate you guys, and engagement, conversation. We like what's happening. We'll continue engaging. Until next time, guys. Ciao.